In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI Notetaker. Whether you're taking meeting notes, gathering insights during a lecture, or simply jotting down thoughts, Notion AI can help streamline your process, making everything more organized and efficient. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, you'll want to open up Notion on your device. This might already be a familiar step for many of you, but it's the foundation of everything we'll be doing today. Once inside, you're going to create a new page. I recommend naming it Meeting Notes or Lecture Notes, depending on your needs. This will help keep your workspace neat and make it easier to find your notes later on. Naming documents effectively is a small but mighty trick for organization. If you're planning on keeping track of multiple notes, you might want to consider adding a database. This feature is particularly useful if you need to categorize different sessions or dates. Notion databases are such powerful tools that they can transform how you organize and retrieve information. Before we proceed, it's crucial to ensure your workspace has Notion AI enabled. This feature is key to the effective utilization of Notion AI's capabilities. Without it, you won't be able to access the powerful tools we are about to explore. Now, let's talk about how to get interactive. Open up the note page you just created and click on Ask AI. With this, you are stepping into the realm where all the magic happens. You're now ready to interact with the AI directly inside Notion. The integration allows you to bring artificial intelligence right into your workflow, making the note-taking process both insightful and dynamic. Next, type or paste your notes directly into the notes column or section of your page. Whether you're working with fresh notes or have pre-existing content, this is where everything goes. Now, look for the AI button on the notes section. You also have the option to type the command Summarize. Both methods will initiate the Notion AI's summarization feature. At this stage, you'll be prompted to choose or type a specific prompt for the AI. You have broad flexibility here to tailor the prompts according to your needs. The AI can assist you in summarizing notes, extrapolating core themes, or even suggesting action items. This ability to interact allows you to leverage the AI's capabilities, saving you time and augmenting your productivity. By following these steps, you will have effectively integrated Notion AI into your note-taking process, providing you an enhanced and streamlined experience. Remember, the key is to explore and find what works best for your workflow and needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of Notion AI's fantastic features.